What's up, YouTube? Listen, guys, I'm tapping back in, man, to make sure I give us some guidance so we can be ready to continue to do our thing on tomorrow, okay? But before I do that, man, I want to say major salute to those of you that did your thing on today, okay, guys? Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. And so I want you to take it one day at a time, one play at a time, okay? And continue to stack small victories on top of small victories, okay? Fall in love with the base hit for me. With that being said, I want to make sure that I cover these few things, guys, because we got some massive moves coming up in the next 48 hours, okay? So I want you to be prepared for things to come, because it's going to get wild now that the CPI is behind us. Yep, we got a report tomorrow coming out as well, okay? So that's going to just add to the momentum, most likely. And so I want you guys to be prepared, okay? With that being said, guys, let me do my thing real quick. I want to shout this out one more time, man, and read this new one on today. Ron, major salute once again, but I like this one as well. Hey Chris, I don't usually hold options overnight. Me either, family, okay? And so I already like where you're going with this. He said, but when I know data is going to come out the next day or the Fed is going to speak. Yesterday I made money and was going to be done for the day. So again, listen to this, guys. Not being greedy, he was going to call it a day. That's what I did today, guys, and you'll see what I'm talking about momentarily. All right, he said, but after doing my research, always do your DD. Yeah, you got me, you got your big homie, you got coach right here, guys, but always do your DD so that you too got a feel for what's going on, okay? Or just make sure you listen to the videos every day so I can cover the things that matter for you so that you know how to play it, okay? But he said, but after doing my research on the last two CPI reports, I decided to buy a 860 call yesterday before the market closed. Look at how strategic he's being. We call that being surgical, okay? He said, it ran up in pre-market. Yep, that's what Wall Street does, guys. This is why I always tell you guys, be thinking 2 steps ahead. It's a game of chess, not checkers. Wall Street today, although I made 20,000 today, Wall Street tried to make all the action happen in pre-market when I couldn't do nothing, okay? Then when the market opened, I only had a little bit of window to move and groove, okay? And I just end up locking in profit because of stuff like this. But he took advantage of it as well. He said it ran up pre-market. When the market opened, it went down below my strike price, but I stayed 10 toes down and it came back up and I got the bag. I love this, man. I love this. Ron, one more time, man, major salute. Way to stay 10 toes down. Way to stay the course and not panic, not fret. You trusted past experiences you had. You trusted yesterday's win that you had, okay? As well as all the other weeks that you rock out with me, okay? And I want to just say major salute. Great job, because I hopefully, when I'm showing this type of stuff every day, we're seeing more and more what's possible, but what the journey truly looks like. None of us are making money in a straight line. We're going up, we're going down, our plays are going sideways, we're losing one day, we make it back the next. And that's what I want people to see, the real journey to how to win with options, okay? Well, with that being said, man, I just wanted to hit us off with that, man, because on today, guys, I got something I want to share with you as well that I want us to be prepared for as it relates to us getting ready for the next 48 hours, okay? So with that being said, man, I want to make sure, okay, that you guys know the CPI report came out, okay? Inflation is ticking down. Now CPI is still high, okay? Inflation is still high, I should say, okay? 8.5 ain't nothing to be smiling about, heeing about. However, the stock market is illogical, okay? Remember I told you bad news is good news is bad news. This is one of those things. This is really bad. 8.5 is bad. That's not good. But the market went to the moon, okay? But why did it do that? Okay, why does it do stuff like that? So since that's the case, I gotta reverse engineer how you guys see this so that you don't do what you're thinking is logical when the market is acting illogical, okay? So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and look at 2 things on the day. We're going to kick it off with the SPY just to get us off to the right start, and then we're going to dive into everything else. All right, okay, listen, guys, remember I told you 420 was what we was looking for, or if you don't know, the next level we're looking for on the SPY is 420. But look at this, guys, it's already dang near here in after hours. Okay, 419.85 is where we're at on a day. And look at this, where was the high of the day? Ooh, look at that. The high of the day, 420.14. Okay, the low was 416, 412, 410, and 408 going to be your new support levels to the downside. Whenever we make new highs, guys, you got to now up your support level. Okay, so all that 390 stuff I was talking, that's out the window for right now at these levels. Okay, so you got to up your price range. So look at the low of today, 416.72. remember that level, because when the day we have a red day, that's where SPY is going to come back to. And then if it fall from 416, it's going to fall to 412. And if it don't hold 412, it's going to go to 410. Okay, I'm trying to teach you guys about levels of support so that you know to the upside and downside. Now listen to this. To the upside, look at what we got on our hands. 420 is where we want to see it hold at, not be 419.85. We want to see 420. Why? Because after we clear 420 comfortably like 2 days in a row, you know what I'm saying, then now guys, our next move will be like that 427, 430 range. Okay, and I think at that particular time the market will need to kind of cool off, catch its breath, so you might start seeing some sell-offs. Okay, but I want you guys to know levels to the upside and downside, because if you over here with me, you gotta rock it out with your boy and make money in both directions. Okay, we make money in both directions over here. We're not falling in love with anything other than what we do over here. Okay, and that's making money. All right, Tesla, I'm gonna show you guys my portfolio today. I need you guys to understand how the game go, guys. You know, if you know and you rock with me the long way, I'm a long-term investor. Okay, that means I buy and hold my plays for the long term. Okay, however, how I make money every day, swing trading and doing options. Okay, and I try to be surgical with it. I'm not reckless in this game. All right, but look at this, guys. Tesla is sitting at 879.30 at the time. It is up 3.8% on a day, almost 4%. Okay, Tesla next move, guys, will be around that $890, $900 range. Okay, and if Tesla gets through into that range, guys, it's off to like 940, 970 for Tesla. Okay, maybe even 1,000, but we'll have to see what the rest of the overall market is doing when we get there. But why do we dollar cost average when stocks are low? Remember, I told you guys way back in 2021, Tesla gonna come to 910, 880, 780, 680, 580, and 450. Remember those levels? Okay, so when Tesla was down there, we were buying. That's called dollar cost averaging. You accumulate when the stocks is crashing or in a bear market. Okay, and we do this for this reason I'm gonna show you right now. So I'm overbought in Tesla. Classes in session, guys, and make sure you like this video. Make sure you get at least 2,000 likes. Okay, classes in session. This is called being overbought, because I want to teach you guys about swing trading, something that's a little safer than options, but that you can do when you are buying and DCAing. Now watch this. Let's go to trade. Let's go to sell. I want to show you guys something. Okay, now we're gonna do a limit order. We want to sell Tesla. I said it's going to 900. Okay, let me show you how to swing trade. All right, I'm gonna put in 900. Boom. Now watch this. Extended hours. Okay, so it can happen in, remember I told you, Wall Street like to get busy in pre-market and after hours when we can't do nothing. So in case they try to do that, I'm doing extended hours. Now watch this. I'm putting this out to November 9th. Okay, this will hit this price way before the end, but watch this, guys. Now I got 23 shares of Tesla. I'm a long-term investor. You guys know I showed you I made 100,000 off Tesla in April. I'm gonna do it again, but watch this for the short-term stuff and swing trading purposes. I'm gonna put 10 of my shares on the chopping block because I'm a long-term holder of Tesla, and the other 10 will never get touched. Does that make sense? I don't touch the core. Remember I talk about have your pillars, your Apple, your Tesla, your Microsoft, your Nvidia. You have your pillars, your Nike. Okay, those are your pillars of your portfolio. Then you have your runners. So I'm putting 10 shares on a chopping block. Look, I'm gonna sell. It's a swing. That's what I should call this. I'm gonna swing this at 900. Okay, and boom, never touching my core position. that I just let ride for years to come. Okay, if you guys been around, you've seen how long I had Tesla, you know how low I have Tesla. But with this being said, boom, I'm gonna put 10 on a chopping block, then I'll keep the remainder as my long-term position. But guess what, the stock split comes up on August 24th. But if you hold Tesla by August 17th, I'm gonna get a few of these back, but I'm gonna still be making money in the process. Guys, let me know if you like that kind of game, man, and if this adds value to you. And also make sure you help this video get at least 2,000 likes, okay? This is the kind of stuff I want you guys to do, embrace, in terms of being innovative with how you invest, how you build wealth, how you take advantage of opportunities in the market. Right now, we're on a bear market rally, okay? We're on a little rally. This won't be long lived. That's why I ain't putting it out to 1100. I'm only going 900. Then if it get to 900, boom, I'm gonna adjust my level, and then I know I'm going to 940 next, and then 970 before 1000. But I'm not overshooting. I'm keeping it something that's attainable. I'm gonna make my money. I'm gonna be in and out. I'm gonna be back over here coaching you guys up, making sure y'all do the same and follow this lead, okay? Because look, when this gets smacked down, we riding this back down to 780, 8, and all that kind of stuff, okay? So with that being said, I just want to show you a swing trade. I got shares of Tesla, and I do options on Tesla mostly every day, okay? When you have shares and you got options, you can swing your shares. I'm never touching my long term, but I overbuy all them red days. All them red days when everybody was quitting on YouTube, and I was telling you buy now, buy now. I'm loading up on this. You buy. One share here, one share here, one share here, 2 shares this day. You hit an option off the park. You buy some shares when you make them home runs we show every day on the channel. This is how you do this, guys. You ain't always got to even use your own money, even though with me, you should be putting in at least 500 every 2 weeks, okay? But now I'm gonna let my overbought position in Tesla. I don't need this many shares of Tesla for what I'm trying to accomplish. I just want to show you guys how to make $100 a day, teach you guys how to fish, and then you join me in doing a 100K challenge every year. That's all I'm trying to do. So with that being said, guys, I'm just going to, with my overbought position, swing a few shares, make a few $100, a few $1,000 maybe here and there, boom. And then when Tesla get knocked back down, what you guys think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna buy 10 more shares again with the home run that I hit, and just always keep the train going, okay? Reinvesting the same money I already won with. I just play with house money for a reason, and I want you guys to dominate this game so you can start playing with house money too, okay? Listen, guys, I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video on a day. Like I asked earlier, please make sure you like and subscribe and help this video get at least 2,000 likes. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.